Hey guys, welcome to Christina Cakes It. I'm Christina and today I'm showing you how to make an all buttercream gingham cake. I'm so excited about this cake because not only do I like gingham the print, but this cake is really special because I'm practicing the design for my daughter's first birthday and I have this vision in mind, and one portion or like one tier of the cake, I'm planning to do a gingham plaid. And when I was deciding on kind of how to do this, I knew I didn't want to do fondant because I thought like cutting out all those squares was going to be really tedious. And also we're having this party out of state, so it just added another layer of planning for me. So to begin, I do have a 4-layer 8-inch cake here. And fun fact, I'm also recipe testing, so there's a butter pecan cake under all of this. But the outside is frosted with just vanilla American buttercream. And this cake has been chilled, so that's really important. You do need your cake cold. So it was living in my refrigerator overnight. And what I did off camera, just to save a little time, is I went through on the cake and I scored little squares all around the entire cake. And to give context, that actually didn't take as long as I thought. It was maybe about 20 minutes, but you can see there are squares covering the entire cake, and that's gonna be my guide as I put on my buttercream. So for this practice cake, I decided to do blue, partially because I had a matching apron, but I just thought like blue gingham was classic. And so when you are making a gingham cake, you do need your 3 shades. You need your dark, your light, and your white to complete the design. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go square by square, and I'm gonna start frosting this, and I will keep you guys posted on how long it takes. It could be like 6 hours. I have no idea. I will let you know. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is outline each square. So every cake has a back, and just by the pattern of my squares, this is definitely the back because like it didn't meet perfectly for a square. These are like rectangles, so that part's not going to show. So to continue the gingham pattern, I'm going to now do the next row, and this is where we add in that dark. And the key when we're making this pattern is to definitely outline the squares. So it is about an hour and a half later and I have finished putting on my initial buttercream gingham design. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to put this into the freezer for about 15 minutes to chill it. I'm gonna frost the top and I'm gonna clean up the sides. All right, my gingham cake is done and you can see I took it out of the freezer, added a little bit of white icing, and of course I had to top it with some cute little daisies. And I think this is such a cute design. It looks like very like bespoke to me and it just has that really cute like country look. So it's definitely a contender for my daughter's first birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this cake, and if you did, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to my channel.